Let's see another one of those perfect landings.
G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, look, this video is going to be different. It is focusing on nothing but fun. UAVfutures, it's all about just flying with your mates, goofing around, getting people flying, having a good time in the air, and that's exactly what this video is focusing on today. What we're going to be doing, we've got some Volantec, I think that's how you say it, Voltec, whatever, P51, the little Mustangs. I've got some ready to flies. I've got some bind and flies, I should say. There's also ready to flies. We're going to get a bunch of them, build them up, go out and fly them. Now, very quickly, as an overview, what it is, it's about $100 little Mustang type of plane. Super easy to fly, pretty durable. I've converted mine to FPV. I've just stuck on like a little tiny whoop camera on the top, and then we're ready to rock and roll. Can take a 2S, and it does say 3S, although you'll see what happens to Tony's on 3S, and that's pretty much it on the bench. A 2208 motor on the front, and a 750mm wingspan. You can get it set up in 10 minutes. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to kind of roll back in time. We'll show you my ideas with Tony for about 10 seconds, and we're out to the field, see what he thinks, and then let the carnage begin. So let's do it. Go have some fun and go back in time. And oh, and I should also say too, there's going to be a giveaway to some of my Patreon supporters, so shout out to you guys. I'll something on my Patreon page for you guys where you can pick up one of these. I'll be sending one of these out to some lucky people out there anyway, so that'll be over there. Well, let's do it. Go back in time, have some fun with the Mustang P51 from Volantec, whatever, in 3, 2, 1. Well, we're going to start this video off a little bit differently. Tony, what are we doing today?
Well, Stu made a suggestion to me that we try taking a couple of P51s, building them up and putting streamers on them and chasing them around till one of us crashes and dies. So it seems like my sort of a project. P51, there's a red one and a blue one.
But we've only got 2 red.
But we got 2 red ones, so that just makes life more fun in the sky.
So that's it. So no, this is a bit behind the scenes too. So I don't know where this video is going to go, but let's do it. Have some fun, build these things up, and then the important part, go out, bash them around, and pretty much crash into each other.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. How long do you reckon this is going to take? You haven't seen them yet?
Well, I did do a sneaky review. They reckon 10 minutes to put them together.
Oh, really?
This is going to be a short video.
Okay. Radio out here in the field. We're with the crew, going to have a bit of fun. We built these up in the studio. Now it's time to rip them around, right? So what we're going to do some test flights.
Yep.
Then we're going to put some streamers on them and dogfight them and try and cut off each other's streamers.
And each other's heads.
Yes. Yeah. And I don't know how well it's going to go.
Yeah. So we've removed the canopies. We put some Heath Robinson cameras in there. And we just
what does that mean?
It means they're crap.
Okay.
So we're going to go and fly it till they die.
Yep, sounds good. Let's do it.
I'm betting on Tony.
The wind?
Yep. You ready?
No, because this is not going to go well at all. It's going to break.
Ready?
All right, we'll watch Tony's. We're going to watch Tony's first.
Now just watch how he does it and copy.
Okay. Oh, it's all over the shop. Okay, now it's just showing off. How is it? Oh, jerky. All right, my go?
Go.
I'm not feeling good about this at all.
Did you did it underarm, maybe underarm?
Do you reckon underarm, Tony?
Underarm, easy.
Yeah.
Yep.
You got it?
Yep. Nah. This is gonna be terrible. What's going on?
I landed.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna cut Tony's head off. And I've got to pull my goggles down. And I don't even know if I'm on the right channel.
Oh yeah.
I'm at full throttle.
Yeah.
Oh God, I'm doing all this line of sight. I've got no video.
Oh dear.
Oh God, this is bad.
Oh no. Oh.
No, I'm flying back. Okay, that's not the right channel at all.
Alright, let's go fetch it. You got this one?
Yeah, I was kind of doing okay for a little bit of line of sight.
Yeah, that's alright.
Alright, how's it flying, Tony?
Right.
7.
Fun?
Yeah, really good.
It looks pretty agile.
Pretty good on
For a
2S.
2S. Oh.
I think it needs a little bit less rates on it. It's very pitchy.
Give me a loop to loop.
Ready? Here we go.
Yeah. It pretty much just does a flip in the air.
Right.
Of course, on the spot.
An inverted loop. Oh, here we go.
All right, come to a pass as close as you can to you. I want to see how much you trust your abilities here. It sounds amazing.
Here we go. Back again.
Oh! Any damage, Jono?
No, it's looking good.
I've really got to figure out my video.
Just off your prop a little bit, but I'm just going to bend it back into shape and I reckon you'll be right.
Yeah, I'll swap you.
Yep.
I got to push my video to find out what I'm on.
Yeah. This way. Whatever. Oh, what happened then?
I took my goggles off just as I was doing that.
He's trying to kill us.
Now.
Okay. You're dangerous, Tony.
That will teach me to just eat some mud.
Oh, did you snap prop?
No.
Oh, no, it's all good.
They don't weigh enough to snap props.
Yeah, right here.
We ready for take 2?
Yeah.
I think I'm on the right video channel.
Do you just want a hand launch this time, do you?
What does that mean?
Like as in I'll do it for you?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay.
So I can have the goggles down.
Yeah.
What's happening? Oh, you're flying up too, Tony?
Video and toss at the same time?
Let me give it
You're
a
scraping
test.
a bit.
Throttle.
Yeah. Alright, good? Yeah.
Alright, we are good.
Go! Oh, yeah. Keep it together, Tony. Keep it together. How's it feel, Stu?
Light, like it's not going anywhere. Where's Tony?
He's being a fancy boy down low.
Oh!
Who was he?
Oh, full stick. This is full throttle.
Oh! Tony's down again. You know
think-
what? Wait, Tony keeps crashing. I think you might be able to get him, Stu.
Oh!
Down again. Oh boy. What do you reckon?
I was full throttle. I think I need a 3S because it just doesn't have the gusto.
Yeah?
Like, look, that's where I was flying with my throttle. Up 100%.
Oh, okay.
What's happened, Tony?
You need a new prop. He just said you can't break the props because they're too light. Oh!
Don't worry. Oh, and you've crumpled all the nose, but...
But you know what I do need? I need a 3S, man. Like,
Yeah, I've got 3S.
were you at 100% throttle?
Yeah. Try again.
He's a danger with these things. Oh.
Alright, so what's going to happen? We got some streamers on here. Tony and I, we're going to have a bit of a dogfight. And last one with the streamer on their plane wins, right? Tony didn't want to use tape, so if your streamer falls
I've
off...
handicapped myself. I'm flying 2S.
Okay, and I'm flying 3S. Are you going line of sight or are you going to go goggles?
I'm going to fly line of sight.
Okay, sure.
Ooh.
And I'll give this to Jono.
Yeah. I'll toss and then I'll pick that up.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think I'm ready.
Yep. Go.
Oh, man. Belt's long on 3S. That's heaps better. Go, Tony. Oh, he's got the speed advantage on you.
Where is Tony?
Trying to make some headway. I'm really struggling to get forward motion.
Here I come. Boom!
Oh!
It does not like it. It needs more nose weight.
Hey, do you want a 1000 Mar 2S? Jeez. Yes, I do.
Perfect, Stu.
Don't put it in a puddle. Sorry, I missed your landing there.
Oh, it was. Did you hear Tony said perfect?
It was. It's perfect. What?
Yeah.
You feeling confident?
No.
No? Hey, you're looking pretty good. You got your landing down. You had a lot of speed.
Yeah, I tell you what, my landing's getting better. This thing does glide in. You just cut the throttle, it just goes beep because it's so light. It's nice. A little bit of wind. Tony did it to quote him, say perfect.
How's that going to work for the aero?
Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
All right.
So, would you find that kind of attachment on a normal plane there?
Yeah, it's a supercharger.
Oh, yep.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, what's happened to your prop?
Oh, yeah, you got to pull that up a bit.
I think the ESC. No,
It's scraping.
it's not. It's. I think it's the ESC's done.
I reckon up front. Oh no!
I reckon I fried the ESC.
Cooked.
Seen it cook. Give it full throttle.
I just did. Look,
Make it burst into flames.
that's it.
Oh, it's dead.
It's
You
dead.
killed it.
Dead ESC. I thought the ESC was shocking.
He's dead, Jim.
So who wins?
Volantex, put better ESCs in these things.
I'm gonna fly mine.
All right, hang on. Stay there. Coming up.
With what?
Just wait. Be surprised.
Patience. He wants me to have patience. I am the winner!
No, you're not.
What is it? Default.
Bradbury.
You just Bradbury'd it.
Oh,
Classic.
now we're going to 4S.
There we go.
Are you going to have a streamer?
Yep.
Off both the wings?
Hey. Yep. Off the wing.
So, yep. All right. Tony's up. Oh, just. All right, we're ready to roll.
That doesn't do much for the aerodynamics, I will say. That's good.
Radio, go. Oh, a bit of a belly scrape.
On the other side.
Yeah.
Radio, I guess we should get on with some actual product review and how this thing flies, besides just having a lot of fun crashing around. But overall, very quickly, I found on 2S they felt a little bit underpowered if you had the streamer on there and you'd need it to be a calm day. On 3S, mine flew so much better. I really liked it. It had enough power to carry the streamer. It was very light, very agile, nimble. It's super quiet. You're not going to annoy anybody. And if you want to just get a fun little wing that can take a bit of a beating, this thing definitely, we had an absolute blast. Almost killed Tony there, which might have been the plan, but also something to make note of. Tony's on 3S just stopped working. Mine was fine, but Tony's wasn't. But yeah, if you want to jump in and have a bit of wing fun, definitely for the price, something you don't have to worry about breaking too much and having a blast with. These things were actually pretty cool, but kind of on the cheap side definitely too when it comes to the quality.
Let's see another one of those perfect landings.
You said round 25.
Take 43.
Yeah, I reckon it's zero actual product review.
Yeah. Oh, we're having a good day. Good productive day.
Oh, you want the tape now?
Oh.
We're going to be out of SD card. I'll have no battery left to actually do my reviews. Rightio, so there it is. There's my, I'm going to use this term loosely, review of this little Mustang P51. Really, I wouldn't say so much a review, just about having fun, goofing around. Let me know what you guys think. I think what I liked watching this video back and as I was editing, you could hear nothing but laughter, and that's what UAVfutures it's all about. Yes, it's cool to have the greatest tech, flying around testing new stuff, but sometimes you just want to be flying around in the air, having a laugh with your buddies, and this absolutely let me do it. Probably my favorite things about it, it was so quiet and not intrusive. So if you, it's like, I've got the big AR wings, which I do think fly better, and the mini ones, they're a lot faster. You can see Tony's screaming around. Some of that'll be at the end of the video. That thing has power to boot, but if you just want a fun little simple learner that it's not as intimidating. You put this up on 2S, you could see how super quiet it is, and if you just want to putt around, learn to fly, something like this is going to, and because it's so light, you know, it's going to hold up pretty well as well. Something like this, I think a lot of people are going to enjoy. You know, I converted mine to FPV, it came with some junk wheels, I threw them in the bin, all that sort of stuff, but at the end of the day, for a fun little flyer, I think some people might be interested. So anyway, drop your comments down below. What do you guys think? What do you think about, you know, sorry if this wasn't your bench breakdown type of video. I just wanted to have some fun for this one, and other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, give a thumbs up for Long Range Tony and Wingman John have held me up, and as always, happy flying.
Off he goes. Better. Oh, look at it go now. Remember, attack from the
Oh,
side.
I'm down! I think I might be flat back.
Oh, no.
Yeah, because Mr. Babyface over here had to... Look, how am I meant to compete with that? That looks like fun. That's what we need to do.
I've got another one in the car.